Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a good day. And today's topic is solar energy. Without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Short introduction to what solar energy is. Solar energy relates to sun. Sun provides us both heat and light, and we nearly receive 4,000 trillion units of energy from the sun on a daily basis. Solar energy not only sustains life on earth, but it is also the source of almost all form of energy used by human beings. Solar energy is a form of renewable energy that is available without any limit and can be used for our needs. We are using this energy for decades and centuries for smooth life. Sun is an extremely powerful energy source, and sunlight is by far the largest source of energy received by the earth. But its intensity at Earth's surface is actually quite low. Earth reflects most of the energy which is received by sun, and we get less amount of sun's energy. Very small amount of energy we can use, and to make it more efficient and cost effective, we can use renewable solar panels. Renewable solar panels produce electricity by transforming the continuous flow of energy from the sun to electricity. It is CO2 free. No harmful emissions are released into the air when electricity is produced by solar panel. It is low it has low operating cost. The photovoltaic process that transforms sunlight into electricity does not require any fuel. It is CO2 free, and it has low operating cost, and it only uses the sun to make electricity. Now we can study what are the benefits of solar energy. Solar energy is obtainable to use without any cost. Although you can buy devices and equipments for producing solar energy through sun rays, still it is cost is quite less in comparison to our cost of energy requirement. The cost will be only to buy devices, and the sun energy is all free. Solar energy can be utilized in remote and rural regions also, where it is generally quite costly to set up an electric power grid. And it is very useful in remote and rural areas because sometimes it is very hard to set up all electric power grid there. So solar energy quite useful for those areas. Solar energy might be widely utilized for charging equipments like solar cell, batteries and calculators that need very less amount of energy. All you have to do is put these cells and batteries under the sunlight, and it will get charged. Solar energy does not create any type of pollution, so it is pollution free, and it will slow down the global warming, and it will not going to create any further footprint of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. It is a unlimited renewable energy source that will never end. Mitigate climate change, reduces our carbon footprint, could save $259 billion in global climate change damage, curb pollution by decreasing air pollution. Solar energy can prevent $167 billion in health and environment damages. Better health outcome, reducing pollutants can prevent unnecessary healthcare costs and save more than 25,000 lives. By using solar energy, we can save 25,000 lives, and we can control carbon footprints, and we can save lot of money, and we can use it in more efficient manner. Solar energy not only sustain life on earth, but it is also the source of almost all form of energy used by human being. It is pollution free and abundant energy source that is freely available to everyone. India get a good amount of sunshine throughout the year. Therefore, solar energy is a good candidate for fulfilling our energy needs. After studying so many advantages of solar energy, we have so many drawbacks of solar energy. You can use it during the daytime when there is abundant sunlight obtained. The expenses of setting up panels and solar cells for producing solar energy is quite high. Poor can't afford it. The quantity of energy produced in solar power grid is quite less in comparison to the current power grid. You need big size land for setting the plants of solar energy for seizing the energy arrived through the sun. Power of solar energy will decrease in rainy weather. It can take long time to see the return on initial investment. Solar panels are fragile and can easily be damaged, therefore extra insurance cost is needed. Most of the drawbacks are related with economic cost. Red, if we try to reduce economic cost by more research and large scale production, the cost will decrease and most of the drawbacks will get to an end, and it will become cost friendly, and we all can get it, and even the poor can afford it after its price will reduce. So solar energy helps in controlling the pollution, and we need to get research on it so that we can get a clean environment for all. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like the video and please hit the subscribe button. And I'm requesting you all to please plant as much trees as you can, because trees are very important for our survival and we have already damaged the earth so badly. And thank you for watching this video.